For some things, artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Claude will work really well, and for some, emotional intelligence will work. Hello, I'm Preethi Fernando, and thank you CivicPlus for presenting this webinar on artificial intelligence versus emotional intelligence for municipal clerks. When it has to do with numbers, analysis, sales forecasting, or getting statistics from 10 years ago, when it comes to data information, artificial intelligence works great. When it comes to dealing with emotionally driven matters, whether it's dealing with a toxic coworker, whether it's dealing with a very sensitive problem, or trying to get everyone to work together as a team, emotional intelligence works better. It's how we relate to ourselves and to other people around us. Self-awareness, self-regulation, empathy, inner motivation, people skills. Those are the main components of emotional intelligence. And when you're dealing with people directly as municipal clerks, there are situations where emotional intelligence would work really well. Let's say you feel like you're not being heard at the morning meetings, or someone else is being given more recognition for your hard work. Inputting that kind of information to ChatGPT may not give you the best result. That's when you have to work through it. Should I talk to this person directly? What is it that I'm missing? Am I blowing things out of proportion? Maybe it's not really happening, or maybe you're thinking that it's like that. But how do we work through those emotions? The social skills, the people skills, and I think our social skills have been dampened because of AI. So when do you know that it's good to use AI or EI? That's what this webinar is about, and it will take place on August 4th, and I encourage you all to sign up, and it's being presented by CivicPlus. Thank you for listening. Visit my website at preethifernando.com, and thank you CivicPlus for offering this session to municipal clerks.